or subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if you see error on your iPhone, sorry, an unexpected error occurred. So how you can also fix it? So now for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings, and first thing, just try to close your Facebook app and just open it again. Another thing you can try also to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to find Wi-Fi. So just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to open mobile data or cell data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restart your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. Also, you can try to check updates for your Facebook app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Facebook, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.